Hey guys, on today's episode, we are going to be tackling ugly wheel syndrome on the Honda Civic. Most Honda Civics, if they're driven in the winter, have winter wheels and they're really ugly. So easy to fix. Like this guy's just standing here with his friends. You can even get your friends to do it. It is so easy to fix. So let's run a real quick intro and see what we can do to spruce up our Honda Civic. Okay, so I was playing with my intro there. Hopefully you guys like that. Anyway, here's this ugly wheel on this Honda Civic. You can see, let's pan to the back, and you know what? It doesn't get any better. I'm sorry. These wheels just look pretty doggone ugly. So what are we going to do? We are going to put hubcaps on it. Now, I know you're thinking with this, oh geez, why are you wasting one time at GarageKing? Why are you wasting my time with this video of showing you to put a hubcap on? Well, not a lot of people even know how to put a hubcap on.
Really?
Yeah, really. Some people really don't know how to put them on. Now, even if you put them on right, if you don't know how to drive, well, unfortunately, it's not going to save you. So that was a pretty serious crash there. So I don't know what they were doing in the parking lot. Whatever. We won't worry about it. So here's how the wheel looks. Looks pretty good in my eyes. Now, the thing is, of course, in the summertime, we're going to put our aluminum wheels back on, our alloys. But in the wintertime, well, we have winter tires on, so we have steelies. So this is what we're going to do. So let's take a look at how we're going to install them. Now, the one thing some people forget to do is they forget to put the steel band on the hubcap. And when you forget to put the steel band on the hubcap, you don't have the tension that holds it in, and then of course it's going to fly off really easy and you're going to lose it on the highway, and then you just get angry because the money you spent buying them on Amazon just goes out the window. Okay, so we're going to speed it up a little bit, and I'm just going to put this tension band, or whatever you want to call it, this steel ring in here, and I'm just going to make sure I clip it in all the way around. And what I'll do is I'll just slow it down here just for a second, just to show you how they actually have to be installed. So you can see it's kind of there between the plastic. So this is how they have to be. And then also you have to make sure you line up the valve stem. That's where you put air in your tires. So make sure that that is properly lined up. Okay, so let's head back over to the car, and we are going to slap this new puppy on. Make sure your valve stem is lined up there. You can see the little green valve stem. There it is. We're just going to slap it on. And I can't believe it. Look at this. It looks great. And this is probably one of the shortest videos I have done, guys. It is under 2 minutes and 30 seconds. See you next week.